Hey, coffee enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a truly immersive journey through time, exploring the rich and nuanced origins of the world's favorite caffeinated elixir. So, grab your favorite brew, settle in, and let's dive deep into the captivating history of coffee. To truly appreciate the origins of coffee, we must transport ourselves to the ancient hills of Ethiopia, where the captivating narrative of coffee begins. Close your eyes and envision this. A curious goat herder named Kaldi, observing his goats full of vigor, dancing around after indulging in the red cherries of a mysterious plant. Driven by curiosity, Kaldi decides to taste these cherries himself, leading to the monumental discovery of coffee. The plant, identified as Coffea Arabica, found its way to the Arabian Peninsula, where its enchanting properties quickly captured the imaginations of locals, marking the genesis of coffee's cultural significance. Fast forward to the 15th century, and coffee has journeyed to Mecca, giving birth to the world's first coffeehouses, known as Caffeine. These coffeehouses weren't mere establishments for enjoying a beverage. They evolved into vibrant centers of intellectual exchange, where people engaged in discussions ranging from politics to culture, all fueled by the enchanting elixir, coffee. The love for coffee didn't stop in the Middle East. By the 17th century, coffee had reached Europe, resulting in the establishment of the first European coffeehouses. These European coffeehouses emerged as epicenters for societal interaction, business meetings, and intellectual discourse, significantly influencing the cultural landscape of the time. As maritime trade routes expanded, so did the global footprint of coffee. Coffee beans traversed oceans, reaching new continents and cultures, each embracing and adapting coffee in its own distinctive way. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves immersed in a rich tapestry of global coffee cultures. From the elaborate coffee ceremonies in Ethiopia to the swift sips of Italian espresso, the worldwide love for coffee continues to evolve and thrive. Well, that concludes our journey through the incredible history of coffee. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the caffeinated past, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your favorite coffee stories or facts in the comments below. Until next time, keep brewing and exploring the wonders that every cup holds. Cheers!